Hello and welcome to the third lecture of our harmonic analysis. In this lecture, we will see the steps to identify ABCD pattern. First of all, to find out a bullish ABCD pattern, we need to look for lower highs. Yes, if there is any pattern being formed with lower highs, that can be a probable ABCD pattern. The swing high can be considered as A point, the swing low can be considered as B point, and then the intermediate high or the lower high that has been formed will be our C point. And D point we need to find out. D point is our first PRZ, the potential reversal zone. And in this 4 point pattern, we get two PRZ. That is, this is a zone between two prices. Okay, so we will see how to find out the D points. But first of all, identification of ABCD pattern is very important. So once again, I will repeat, to find out the bullish ABCD pattern, look for lower highs. Now, to look for a bearish ABCD pattern, you need to look for the higher lows. The low that has been made for the first time, the main swing low, then the swing high, and the the higher low. Okay, that would be our C point. And again, D point we need to find out. The steps are same. After that, in the chart, whether investing.com or tradingview.com or your broker's chart platform, you will see a pattern maker here from the top one, two, three, four, five, sixth. In some cases, you would get it sixth or seventh pattern maker. Select the ABCD pattern, switch on the magnet mode. Okay, this is the pattern maker that has been given in all the chat platform. So after switching on the magnet mode, you don't need to select the exact high or exact low. It will automatically select the exact high or exact low. Now, when you click on the swing high, it will automatically take A point. When you click the swing low, it will take B point. In the same fashion, C point. And D point you can click anywhere on the chart, as we need to find out the D point. Now let's see, friends, how to find out the D point. Okay, the steps to find the PRZ. The first D point we would be finding with following steps. The first step is to validate the FIBO ratio. We would first validate this ratio between AC. It should be very near to any of these FIBO ratios: 0.382, 0.500, 0.618, 0.707, 0.786, and 0.886. Within this range, it can be anything. We have the liberty to move our A point. So we can move our A point and bring this ratio very near to any of these perfect ratio. However, if it is not perfect, then also a variation of 1 to 2% is acceptable and allowed. Now, once this AC ratio has been identified and we know that this can be a probable ABCD pattern, the next step is we would take the difference of AB. Okay, we will deduct B point from A, and whatever we get, whatever the value we are getting, we will deduct it from the value of C in case of bullish ABCD pattern. If it is a bearish ABCD pattern, we would add this difference of AB in the value of C. On the charts, it will be more clear. Now, in this case where it is a bullish ABCD pattern, as we see, we will deduct the AB from C. Okay, we will take the difference of AB and we will deduct it from the C point. That is our first D point. That is our first PRZ. Okay. The second PRZ we would derive by drawing a FIBO from B to C. When we draw a FIBO from B to C, we get some FIBO ratios. We would look for the nearest FIBO ratio that is available to this D point, the first D point that we have derived. Okay, that point is our second PRZ. So these two values make this a very strong reversal zone. And this BD ratio, you don't need to worry, it will get automatically adjusted. How it will get adjusted, we will see in the charts practically. We have made this finding of PRZ very simple, as you must have received the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, what you need to do first, once we have validated this FIBO AC ratio, the second point is just double click the pattern maker. This window will open. Okay, it will have three things: style, coordinates, and visibility. Go to the coordinates section. Price 1, price 2, price 3, and price 4. These are the A, B, C, and D. In the Excel sheet, just put the values, copy paste the values of this price 1, price 2, and price 3 in A, B, and C column. You will get the PRZ for all the variations, all the three variations of ABCD pattern. Here we will see that we have found out our PRZ within seconds. Okay. So it is very simple to find the first PRZ. The second PRZ, again you would need to draw the FIBO from B to C as you saw in the previous step. So friends, we have seen the steps how to identify the PRZ for ABCD pattern. In the next video, I will show you practically on chart how to find out this PRZ and draw ABCD pattern. Happy trading, folks.